How to make Trello Slack automations. Want Trello updates to flow directly into Slack? Let's set up Trello Slack automations in just a few steps. So start by installing the Trello app from Slack's app directory. So from here, go ahead and look for this more icon and then click on tools. And then from here, go ahead and head over to templates and then start installing the Trello app from Slack's app directory. Authorize the connection and link your Trello account. So once you have integrated it, head over into the home section and then go ahead and head over into the channel where you want to link boards. So use the command slash Trello link and then enter the board name to connect a Trello board to a Slack channel. Now activity on that board will post updates here. Now you can create cards directly from Slack with slash Trello add and then type in the title. So type slash Trello list to see link boards or slash Trello help for all available commands. In Trello, you need to open up Butler to build automations. So for example, when card moves to done, post a message in Slack or every Monday at 9 a.m., send overdue cards to Slack. Butler makes recurring updates automatic. And that is how to make Trello Slack automations.